Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to do a walk around and startup video for you on a 1973 Dodge Charger. Now, this Dodge Charger is painted in the correct color. It does have the right stripes. It does have the correct vinyl top on it. This is a numbers matching 340 4-speed Charger. Yes, that's right, a 73 340 numbers matching 4-speed. The 4-speed cars and 4-speed transmissions in these cars are very, very hard to find. They're sought after. This car is a power steering, power brake, and factory air conditioning car, so that even makes it even more scarce. It is a one family owned car and has 93,000 original miles on it. And this car is super solid. It's had one repaint, mostly all original interior in the car. And it's a very, very nice car. Door jambs, sill plates, door panels, factory sticker. You see how nice the doors are. The seats, carpet, interior, center console. The car does have a brand new headliner in it. Sail panels. All the interior panels are in nice shape on the car. Dash is in real good shape. 93,128 miles on it. I don't know if that horn works or what, but this car, it came out of the Dick Moan collection. You know Dick, we usually get Challengers off of Dick. Seldom do we get Chargers, but he's selling this car. The battery's a little bit weak. The battery's a little weak, and you folks all know how these Dodges are, these Mopars are when you have low voltage going to them. Panel lights work, right turn, left turn. That one on the fender is burned out. That's probably why that one stays lit. Blower works. Radio works, gauges work. The horn don't work. Wipers work. Turn signal. Inside the trunk is very nice. The seals are in good shape. Jams are nice. The back bumper on the car, like most Mopars, yeah, if you look real close, you can see some fine little pitting. You know, I think without taking them off and getting them re-chromed, I think that's just kind of how it is. Got a brand new set of 17-inch Mopar rallies on it. Headlights, turn signal, turn the other one on. We must have a maybe a fuse blown for the tail lights on this car, the running lights on this car, because none of them are coming on unless we don't have the. I know sometimes the switches can get a little bit. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Does have the right exhaust tips on it there too. You see that? Machine gun style exhaust tips. Just a great car, runs good, drives good. Just a really solid, very nice paint. And a hard to find car too, a 73 Charger, 340 4-speed numbers matching. Got their Charger floor mats in it. And like I say, right out of the Dick Moan collection. I'm gonna sell him a Super Bee. That way, when he takes women out for a cruise, he can live up to his name. So, anyway, beautiful 73 Charger, body paint, interior, very nice on the car. We'll have it pictured and priced on our website, probably yet today or tomorrow. So give us a call, 563-452-2450. And remember, Kinion Classics here, I think we're the only collector car dealership in the country right now. We're going to offer you a 6-month, 1,000-mile warranty for free with this car, and also free shipping to the upper 48. So, great car. These cars are gaining popularity every day. And no, that door is not shut all the way. I don't want you to think the gaps are bad. The doors don't line up, as you can see. Check out the panel alignment on this car. That's what you get when you get a one-owner numbers matching car. It was just very well taken care of. So thanks for watching again, everybody. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. That way you never miss another great quality collector vehicle. KinionAuto.com. Don't forget our free warranty and our free shipping. Put this baby in your garage. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.